Alright, in this video we will be learning about inheriting the constructor. Alright, you might be thinking, if the child class inherits its fields and methods, does it also inherit the constructor? Let's take a look how the super constructor works. Let's say shape has a num_size field that is set by passing an integer into the constructor. If we're instantiating a triangle, we'd want that number always to be 3. So we'd want to modify the constructor to automatically assign num_size with the value of 3. Can we do that? As it happens, Java has a trick for just this occasion. Using the super method, which acts like a parent constructor inside the child class constructor. So instead of the constructor, you can just put in super 3, and by passing that 3 into the super method, we are making it possible to instantiate a triangle without passing in a value for num_size. Meanwhile, super 3 behaving as shape 3 will shoulder the responsibility of setting num_size to 3 for a triangle object. It's like we call shape 3. Now, it is also possible to write a constructor without making a call to any super constructor, like so. In this situation, Java secretly calls the parent class's no argument constructor, super. So in this specific example, the triangle constructor first calls the shape constructor. That shape takes care of whatever business it needs to take care of. Then after that is complete, we go in and set this num_size to 3. So essentially this is calling super, but it's just, you can't see it, okay? It's behind the scenes. Now, if you're writing a constructor of a child class and don't explicitly call a method to a constructor from a parent class using super, and so it's important to remember that Java will automatically and secretly call super as the first line of your child class constructor. Okay, so it says tab over to fo.java and build a constructor for fo. Leave the constructor's parameters blank. Inside of the constructor, pass the following arguments in the following order to super. The constructor for noodle. Okay, so the public fo, and it says in the super. Okay, super, and we can do 30.0, 0.64 flat. Oops, oh my god, I can't spell flats. Then we'll do rice flour. Okay, let's run it. Perfect. Now tab back over to noodle.java. Inside main, instantiate a new fo instance called fo_che. Let me just go ahead and do this. So fo is a type of noodle, if you didn't know. And then equals new fo. Voila. Now print fo_che's shape. System.out.println, and then we'll do dot shape, and bam, flat, because we made it flat. That's actually pretty cool, right? So this is inheriting the constructor, and I'll see you guys in the next one.